Creative and fun learning. Create your own superhero cape. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a remarkable school where every Friday, magic happened. This special day was dedicated to creative and fun learning. On this particular Friday, the class was given an exciting mission: create your own superhero cape. The teacher introduced the project to the class. Each child was given a chance to pick their favorite fabrics and patterns. The room buzzed with energy as the students debated which colors, patterns, or textures would best represent their unique superhero. One by one, the students returned to their desks to start crafting. The classroom transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors as each student brought their superhero cape to life. They worked diligently, cutting, gluing, and drawing with determination. As the day wore on, the students took breaks to share their progress with friends. They exchanged ideas and offered advice, fostering a spirit of collaboration and teamwork. The classroom was filled with laughter, excitement, and creativity. By the end of the day, the students had transformed the classroom into a workshop of colorful superhero capes. They beamed with pride as they showed off their creations to the class. Each cape was unique, reflecting the individuality and creativity of its maker. The following week, the students paraded around the schoolyard wearing their new superhero capes during recess. They imagined themselves soaring through the air and saving the day as they ran and played together. The sense of pride and accomplishment was palpable in every child. With their new superhero capes, the students learned that they had the power to make a difference. They began to use their capes not just for play, but also as symbols of kindness and friendship. One student even helped a friend who was struggling during an afternoon game, using his cape to lift their spirit. Inspired by their newfound sense of creativity and collaboration, the class decided to use their superhero capes to make a difference in their community. They brainstormed ideas for a school project that would allow them to help others while also showcasing their artistic talent. The students decided to create a mural to brighten up a local park. They spent countless hours sketching, painting, and collaborating on the design. Their creativity shone through as they transformed the park into a vibrant, colorful oasis. The students were invited to present their mural at a local community event. They watched as people marveled at their creation, praising their hard work and talent. The students beamed with pride, knowing that they had used their creativity for a good cause. As the event came to a close, the students looked back at the mural they had created. They felt proud of their accomplishment and the impact it had on their community. They realized that with creativity, teamwork, and determination, they could make a difference in the world. In the end, the students learned that creativity, artistic expression, and fun hands-on activities could lead to amazing things. They discovered the power of collaboration and teamwork, and most importantly, they learned that they had the ability to make a difference in their community. With their superhero capes, they soared to new heights and conquered challenges together.